wondering what we are doing today, we are going to be opening 2 new Smooshy Mushies, and we are going to be comparing them with the Squish Deelish to see which one is more slow rising and more squishy. Also soft.
Guys, welcome back to Natalie and Luna Carrot, and don't forget the emoji challenge at the end of this video, guys.
So go check out that end of the video.
Alright guys, so this is the little bottle that this Smooshy Mushy comes with it. And it kind of looks like the big bottle too. What do you guys think?
Yeah, it kind of looks like this one. But if you put it like from far away, it looks the same size. But then from very close,
it does kind of look like that one. Alright guys, and remember, they come with 2 charms. So you can hang in there your little bottle of your tag or your squishy. Alright guys, and Luna is opening this Smooshy Milk Vanilla.
Oh my god, it's a cinnamon roll. That is so cute. That looks so cute. Can I have it?
Alright, so Luna got, look at guys, a cute cinnamon roll guys on her vanilla milk. There it is. Cute cinnamon roll right here, guys. Alright, guys, so here is the one that Luna got. Luna, do we know his name or her name?
Scout, and Celia Cinnamon.
Alright, guys, here it is. And it's a little cupcake, or it's a little cake on top of his head. How cute, guys. This is the back of the little skunk. Here it is. So far, guys, they have opened 2. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Alright guys, so Luna's gonna hang her big Smooshy Mushy on the charm, and I'm hanging the tag on the charm. Natalie, show us which one she got, please.
She got the one right next to Bella Bear, that one.
And that is Cut Skunk and Celia Cinnamon Bun. Alright guys, and here's the tag once you use the charm.
There it is, guys. Scout Skunk.
Hanging on the charm.
Hanging on the charm.
And don't forget the sticker, guys, that comes with it.
And guys, don't forget the sticker. Here it is, guys, for a better look. The better look.
And that is again, Natalie?
Scout Skunk and Celia Cinnamon Bun.
That is right, guys. Here it is. And this one seemed to be common. So there is commons, and there is a rare, which is Carry Cow and Mitzi Milk. And the ultra rare, which is Shelly, Chick, and Peggy, which is the one right there. Can you point it, Natalie? We got that one first, guys. And also, we recently unboxed Series 1 Num Nums and Snackables.
Yep, so go check out that video at the end of this video.
That video right there, guys. Make sure you go check it out at the end of this video. Alright, girls, so now we're going to compare. Alright, guys, so now we're going to compare the Smooshy Mushy with the Squish Deelish. Alright, so which one you going to go first, Natalie?
I want to do...
We get the macaroon. Get for the macaroon first.
Yeah.
With the little Shelly Cheek, which is Smooshy Mushy. What do you think?
This one,
show us.
Is it really squishy?
Is it really squishy?
No, it isn't really squishy.
And it's fast rising? I can see it's fast rising.
It's not like squishy like this one. Like you can't even squish it.
And what about the Smooshy Mushy?
The Smooshy Mushy, you can really squish it. It's like
And it's slow rising. How cool. Which one's soft? I look like both of them are soft. What do you think?
This looks like.
Alright, let's see that one. Let's see that one. Luna, try yours with the new skunk that you just got. The one on her left, which is the little hamburger, it's also a Squish Deelish, and the new one, which we just opened, which it is Scout Skunk, and she is a Smooshy Mushy. Alright, Luna, squish the Smooshy Mushy.
On my left?
On your right hand side. That one's the Smooshy Mushy?
This one is my left.
Oh, that's your left. You're right. I'm sorry. Alright, so squish them both and tell me which one is softer and slow rising. Show it to us. What do you guys think? Comment down below.
I think this one. You guys can't feel it.
The hamburger, which is the Squish Deelish. I think that one's squisher and it's slow rising. I think, see, both of them are pretty much the same because we got a Squish Deelish, which is the hamburger that's doing a squishing right now. Really squishy, really slow rising. And the Mushy Mushy, which is a little skunk, that it was fast rising, just like the macaroon. Show us, Natalie. The macaroon. Grab both at the same time, Natalie. Grab the macaroon and the skunk. And the skunk. And they both fast rising.
These squishies relax.
And the macaroon. And the macaroon, it's the Squish Deelish, right, Natalie? And the skunk, Smooshy Mushy, also fast rising. Not as squishy as the hamburger and as the chick. So both are the same. Both of them are slow and fast rising. But both of them definitely have good quality, right, girls?
Yeah.
Alright, Natalie, so what are we going to squish now?
We're going to squish the poodle.
Which is the Smooshy Mushy.
Yes. And the bunny.
Which is a Squish Deelish.
Yes.
Alright, show us.
So this one is more like slow rising.
Uh-huh.
This one is like fast rising.
Fast rising. But the quality, both of them, it's amazing. Super adorable, super great quality. We already have the Squish Deelish for a long time, and they still look as new, guys. And believe me, we play with them all the time.
And remember to subscribe and comment and like this video.
That is right, guys.
Okay, guys, we're gonna play the cutie catcher. Yeah. Okay, so I need Luna here. So which one do you want? Marnie, M-A-R-N-E-Y. Wait, before we start the game, we're gonna tell you the rules. So you gotta put, like, you could do it with your 4 fingers. You could do it with your 4 fingers. You could do it with your 4 fingers, or you could do it with both of your 2 hand fingers. And then you gotta have a friend here right next to you, or you can do it right by yourself. And
or you can also do it with your mommy like they do with me always. Mom, pick one. Alright, let's show our friends how to play it, Natalie.
And then you pick one of these. Yeah. So Luna picks Marnie. M-A-R-N-E-Y. So you do the letters of the character, and then you gotta like put your fingers like spread it. Sometimes you gotta put your fingers like that, and then you gotta do that. So M-A-R-N-E-Y. And then there's some little characters inside. Yeah. Luna picks the pickle. P-E-N-E-L-O-P-E-Y. Oh, E. Here. This one. Luna picked the Pop-Tart. So I picked Pop-Tart. Her name is Fifi. F-I-F. I got that wrong. So F-I-F-I. Luna picked the s'more. S-A-M-I-R-E-A. And then on the 4th one, you gotta open it. So like right here, Luna picked the chicken leg, you gotta open it. And there's a little joke. Why did the orange stop halfway up the hill? Because it lost their juice. Because it ran out of juice. Oh, it was close.
Well done, girls. Alright, guys. So we teach you how to play also the Cootie Catcher.
Yep.
Here it is, guys. So what do we give to Smooshy Mushy and the Squish Deelish, girls?
A thumbs up.
Both of them are great quality. We love them both. Exactly, girls.
Yeah.
So both of them have slow and fast rising, right?
Yes.
But both of them are super cute and great quality. Correct, girls?
Yep.
Alright, so now we are going to do the emoji challenge. Are you guys ready to guess which emoji are we getting?
Well, I'm ready.
Don't forget friends to comment down below the emoji.
And if you don't know the name of it, just press the emoji right there.
That is right. Alright, so now here it is. Oh, I think we are going to love this one.
Oh, wait, you're not going to love this one.
Okay, guys. Yes. Like a rock star.
I think we have that emoji. Do we have that?
If it's not on the emoji, either on your phone or computers, just comment rock star. Alright, Natalie, go ahead and change it. Alright guys, so that's the emoji challenge for today. Also guys, comment down below which one was your favorite. Squish Deelish, Smooshy Mushy,
Squishy Mushy, and Squish Deelish.
Thanks so much for watching guys. We love you. Don't forget to go check the other videos at the end of this one.
Bye, love you.